it's a general thing to think, if we're giving the donations to him or XYZ, whoever, so people generally don't trust because of the current situation of our country. So we were just all, Jazbati Pakistanis, we were all boosted up, pumped up, because, we were like, yeah, we can't just let people die over there like this. It's just against humanity. It's just not us. So we sat together. First we were very hesitant कि parents इजाज़त देंगे या नहीं, but especially me, because my parents are very insecure about me. So
why didn't you know about it?
they're just insecure because I'm the eldest son. I don't know why, but
so are they insecure or they paranoid?
Both at times. But the thing was we were quite, all of us were hesitant because people seeing the media, covering all the places over there, it's quite dangerous. But we were like, yeah, to heck with it, we just want to go.
So how did you guys propose the idea to your parents? Unko kya bola?
We made the idea one night before we actually had to leave on Sunday, so we made the idea on Friday something, and then
my parents were very happy.
When we told them, they were very happy. They were like, "We support you."
That's very nice of them. So how in 2 days after
3 days, but we delayed our trip to
Wednesday.
Okay.
Then we collected money from, we just had like about 50,000 till Sunday, and then we thought of going to Signals and started collecting money. So by Wednesday we had about 8 lakhs. So
wow, that's a big amount.
Then we sent we got how much did we get for all the stuff?
Around 400,000 we bought stuff.
Okay.
And then the rest we took along, so that we said even if we want to, like, our basic motive behind this trip was we don't want to go to the areas that already people are going there. तो हम लोग ने ये किया था कि यार उन जगहों पे जाते हैं जहाँ लोगों के पास कुछ नहीं है, and they are actually helpless, and उसके अलावा भी NGOs and government they hesitant to go there because पानी है या where not any normal person can go. तो हम लोग का ये प्लान था. तो फिर हम लोग ने पैसे भी ज़्यादा रखे कि like we're dropping off to Sakkar because it's his village. So we'll stay there for a while. We'll see कि people are there. We'll feed them. So we took money and तकरीबन 1,500 people we fed. And it was.
You took money and how did you feed them?
We got biryani for everyone. We would pack them, and
from there we Sakkar
and we had to keep, like, when we were giving it out, we had to keep our cars moving because they would just jump in your car.
Of course.
They were very hungry. They would beg us for water. They would beg us for food. It was very, very.
How was it to see all that? Like.
We got tears to our eyes.
There was not any second that we didn't have tears in our eyes. It's like when I told my brother, he was like, "No, you're joking." So I was like, "Dude, we actually had tears." But it was very, like I wouldn't like my mother or my sister going to anyone and begging them, going down to their knees. And it was just like every other woman, every other person would come when we would give them food. तो वो लोग बोलते थे आप ये हो आप वो, and we would literally hold them up, bring them back, and tell them कि भाई it's not us, it's Lord who is doing it, and don't worry, the whole of Pakistan is with you. हम लोग अभी खत्म हो गया हमारे पास, हम लोग फिर आएंगे आपके पास, हम फिर कल सुबह.
So आप लोगों ने 1,500 people go.
She was that night we fed.
And in that area there were 1,500 people. So हमने सबको खाना खिलाया.
We tried जितने लोग, because हम लोग की गाड़ी was moving, तो वो लोग हमारी तरफ आ रहे थे.
हम लोग ने किया ये था कि हम लोग ने देगे तैयार करवाई थी और फिर रात को ही हम लोग ने थैलियाँ ले ली थी और थैलियों में खुद हम लोग ने भरा. We were around 5 to 6 people. हम लोग ने खुद भरा. फिर हम लोग के पास पुलिस का एस्कॉर्ट था, तो उसमें मोबाइल में हम लोग ने खाना डाला फुल भर के, and then we started giving them out.
So is it like you're saying कि आप लोग उन areas में गए जहाँ पे probably NGOs and all these other people have not gone there? What's the reason? Why haven't other people been there?
Because there are people, but they're very less, because it's very hard to go there. The only reason we could go there because our friends' funeral was over there, and they own the land over there, so it was
have Sadan and Amir with me. Welcome back everyone, and you support with me, Sadan and Amir. And before I get back to you, we were talking about आप लोग को अगर भी करना है through SMS, तो आप लोग SMS करें 688 पर, type SUP, space your name and your city, and if you want to make through a call on 0900 And yeah, if you guys want to talk to Sadan and Amir or me for that matter, or if you guys have any information you want to share with us, call on 565-461-9833. We were actually talking about Sadan was telling us कि किस तरह ये लोग उन एरियाज में जा रहे हैं जो अफेक्टेड हैं, लेकिन वहाँ पे जाकर NGOs नहीं है, वहाँ पर जाकर लोग नहीं जा रहे हेल्प आउट के लिए. So I was asking Sadan, why do you think people are not going there?
Because I think they do obviously want to help these people, लेकिन मसला ये कि ज़्यादातर लोग जो हैं that so like half the population has shifted to areas like nearby, like proper cities, like
where they can get the aid.
सखर में जो ज़्यादा लोग कर रहे हैं तो उधर लोग ज़्यादातर आ गए छोड़ के, लेकिन there are still people who are stuck there.
Okay.
तो उनके लिए मतलब वो कम तादाद में है, तो I think people be aware fact that
you will see one plot where after tents there are like so many tents over there. A lot of people have migrated from their places and they're in Sakhar because Sakhar is a big city and they're getting everything they can from
they're
there.
like normal people like us. NGOs के लिए भी फिर भी कोई मसला नहीं है, they can arrange a boat, they can arrange helicopters. Like people like us, like it's hard for them to go there. So like normally जैसे हमारी तरह अगर कोई और लोग हैं तो they won't go there. They'll prefer going to Sakhar or places where they can conveniently give stuff out.
अच्छा ये बताओ कि what is it that you guys are giving out to them? क्या
We've made one bag जिसमें we put atta, we put rice, we put oil, नमक, मिर्च, दाल, different types, चाकी पत्ती, दाल.
Actually is the fact we would be
and milk भी हम देते थे अलग से like.
but कौन सा milk like?
Yeah.
Okay, the thing is that I was told by these other people who had come in, there were actually a couple of friends who came and they strictly said they don't give them packet का milk because उसमें ये होता है कि वो खराब हो जाता है.
The thing is कि this part of our container we were giving out to Sakhar and all these places where people are settled.
अच्छा.
But for the Kashmir people we actually had powdered milk.
हाँ, that's very nice. One more thing I would like to ask you guys is कि obviously आप लोग का plan है वापस जाने का, वापस visit करने का, तो आप लोग अभी इसके बाद आप लोग कहाँ जाएंगे और फिर वापस अगर आप जाएंगे तो वो पहले कहाँ होगा?
अभी हमारा recent trip जो होगा ठट्टा कि it's closer and इसके लिए हमारे पास volunteers बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. दोस्त हमारे बोल रहे हैं कि the people who didn't get permission इतनी दूर तक के लिए तैरने के लिए तैयार हैं कि ये जो हम लोग करेंगे day trip होगा. We'll go in the morning and come back at night.
अच्छा. And like are you guys taking tents along?
Tents, we are trying to get tents, but the tents are very expensive. They're like 5,000 minimum 5,000 rupees.
अच्छा, a friend of mine told me that you can get tents for about 3,500.
That's expensive. If we get 100 tents, that will cost us around 3,000.
Okay, so if you like obviously आप लोग, how can someone get through to you to make a donation to you?
We have a Facebook page. It's called Help Us Pakistan, and also people can inbox us. My name is Sadan Sheikh and it's Amir Khosa. Easily available.
There is Amir Khosa and there's Sadan Sheikh and the Facebook page भी है by the name of Help Us Pakistan. And आप लोग वहाँ पे जाके you can contact them, you can get to know them, you can find out what they're up to, and also donate to them because like I said, they would love to take tents up. इनकी obviously whatever they can do, they're doing that. लेकिन इस tents इनकी expensive बन रहे हैं. So it would be nice if you guys donate. We actually had Nadia Misri with us yesterday, and right after the show, she actually got a call and someone donated about a lakh or something. So I'm hoping आप लोग के साथ भी हो जाए. But is there any way of getting in touch with you guys, like probably a phone number or something?
Yeah, 0333-211-4830, that's my number.
03422005903.
Okay, so just make sure that you guys keep repeating even during the show. Keep repeating your numbers. So even if someone has just tuned in, तो वो लोग देखते हैं आप लोग के numbers and all that. We'll keep repeating how you can get through with them. But besides that, हाँ. So I was asking you that experience कैसा था?
Experience, honestly, it was heartbreaking.
It was very sad. It was very sad. People are dying for food. They're dying for water. They don't have clean water. They don't have food. They have nothing there.
So have you guys thought of like आपने ये सोचा है कि आप लोग वहाँ जाएं, probably take someone with yourself and just वहीं पे उनके लिए खाना बनाएं? Have you guys thought of that?
हम लोगों ने यही किया था. That's what we did. We didn't take food from here. We took money. We went to Sakkar पे we bought eggs and everything.
Okay.
Then we took plastic bags, filled them up,
And then we started giving it out to people. Ferry में भी also.
फेरी में इफ्तार भी कराई हम लोगों ने.
That is very nice of you guys. And ये बताओ कि okay, now I saw this on TV the other day कि पता नहीं कौन सा area था, I forget the name, but they were saying that उस area में उन्होंने क्या किया पता नहीं, I don't know who was helping them out, I can't really remember, but what they did was that in that area they found out कि who's a cook, who can do this and who can do that. So उन्होंने उन लोगों को jobs दे दी हैं, and what they do is कि now अगर suppose someone can cook, so they give them the food, everything, and that person or those 2-3 people cook for.
Yeah, that's a very good idea, but the thing is कि you can't do that unless and until you're a native from there. Like our friends who are there, they can do that because they know the family, the landlords over there, but like we can't, it's
We booked it over there.
that was more convenient because the thing is कि लोग इतने भूखे हैं, they started fighting with each other. There was this woman, मेरा दोस्त शेजोर पे खड़ा था, he was giving stuff out. तो शेजोर is like quite a ऊंची गाड़ी है, तो that woman she fell down and she was bleeding. लेकिन फिर हम लोगों ने उनके लिए अलग से रखा कि वो जो है she came running again. फिर हम लोगों ने दी उसके लिए. I mean, if we fall down that way, I'm sure no one would,
I'm sorry, we have a call right now. I should call. We don't. We're gonna get this call back hopefully. But yeah, so basically like everyone goes crazy जब आप लोग खाना लेके जाते हैं.
We don't blame them for that, because even when the police
Mainly with the doctors.
we took medicines with us. We asked I know a few
We
friends.
have a call. This is call. Hello. Hello. सारा तुम कौन बात कर रही हैं?
Hi, this is Chandra.
Hi Shazri, how are you?
I'm good. How are you guys doing?
We're doing good, Shazri. I have with me Sadan and Amir right now. They're actually helping out the flood victims. What would you like to say to them?
I think they're doing a great job, and I feel like this generation is really doing a lot. And hats off to them. And I think that this thing keeps continuing, and they actually don't give up on this. It's really impressive what they're doing in this age, and I just feel like everybody should contribute more and more to this.
Shazri, would you like to tell us कि आपने क्या किया donations के लिए? Have you done something so far?
Yeah, I met a few of my friends actually did a lot of work. They have in this valley